In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Amazon Prime with another account. Maybe you're sharing a device or you manage more than one profile. Switching accounts is quick and safe, and I'll walk you through it so nothing is confusing. First, once you're in the Amazon Prime app, look for the profile icon. On most phones, it's in the bottom menu or up in a corner. It looks like a person's silhouette. Tap that to open your profile area. Next, in the top right, tap the little gear icon. That's your settings button, and it opens the place where account controls live. Here, depending on your version, you'll either see an option called My Account, or you may see sign in to another account right away. If you see My Account, head into it. If you see sign into another account, tap that. Either way, you're going to the same destination, the switch account screen. When you tap it, the app will ask you to confirm sign out of the current account. Go ahead and confirm. This doesn't cancel any membership. It simply signs this device out so you can use a different login. Keep in mind that downloaded videos tied to the previous account may no longer play on this device after signing out. Now you'll be on the sign in page. Enter the login details for the other account you want to use, carefully typing your email and password. Take a second to double check spelling and capitalization to avoid errors. If you're prompted for additional verification, just follow the on-screen steps. After that, tap the sign in button. The app will connect, and within a moment, you should be logged into the other account. You can confirm you're in the right place by glancing at the profile name or the recommendations, which will reflect the other account's preferences. At this point, you may see a prompt to add a mobile number, or you can tap skip. This is optional. Adding a number helps with password recovery and account security, but if you're not ready, skipping is perfectly fine and you can add it later from settings. And that's all there is to it. You tapped the profile icon, opened the settings with the gear, chose My Account or sign in to another account, confirm sign out, entered the other account's details, and signed in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.